Hello and welcome back, everybody. Today we're gonna be putting the AirTec Motorsport air intakes to the Aston Vantage. I just did an oil service on it. Oil pan video coming soon. You heard what I said? Yeah. But so yeah, I'm gonna show you. It's very simple. Basically, this comes out, sensor comes out. I'm gonna have to take this out as well, and then it comes out, and then we have the frame piecings in there. Boom! Everything goes back in, and we're done. So we're gonna start with removing these 8s, and then the 7, so we can remove the air box itself, and then I'm gonna move it back in there. Alright, so I removed the 7, this one right there. You just wiggle this out, remove this with the pliers. This line comes right off. Then that's basically it. For both sides it's the same. Going to remove the MAF sensor. Just sits in there, pops out, and then we're just gonna plop this in, which goes in basically like that. Kinda, well, I'll angle it like this. I think I might have them. Well, I don't know. I'll figure out the film. So we got the bases. This is how they're gonna look. Obviously blank. Mine, I just put the things on. It's supposed to go in there, obviously. The way you tell which base goes where is the wall is going to be on the outside, and then this flap right here is going to align with that hole. And obviously these 2 holes got to be on the back. So we got the middle one in as well. 3 bolts there, 2 there. I haven't attached them yet. We got both of these in with the pipes. Intake is on this side. Gonna put this side on, and then we're gonna slap these covers on, and that's it. We are done with the install. All right, so 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. These just slap on there. I'm gonna tighten those. Quick note: you see the notches on the OEM? It's the same way. You gotta wiggle them out. They go in an angle like that, and then you turn them and they don't come out at all. So same concept with this. That's it. Now maps are on. Just gotta throw the cable on there.
That doesn't drag it for the intake. But yeah, what else is it missing? What is it missing? I should say.
Got missing everything. And that's it. You're done. Let me just tighten these, and we are good. There's a bracket here, actually. I haven't installed it because we're actually missing the whole bracket from there all the way here. We're missing the whole bracket. So, but install's done. Looks nice. The VTAs are so loud, you don't even hear you don't even hear the intakes.
Hold it stable at like 3,000.